guys, welcome back to my channel. Alright, so today I thought we would do a little makeup look. It's currently Sunday afternoon and I just felt like sitting down and doing a little bit of makeup. I've gotten a lot of eyeshadow palettes recently and I kind of want to go through them and create looks for you guys. So the most recent one I have is this one here. This is the 35D Desert Bouquet palette from Morphe, so I thought we would try this one out today. This is what it looks like. I fell in love with the colors when I saw this palette and I finally bit the bullet and picked it up. Yeah, I shared it in my most recent vlog, so you may have seen it there if you watched that vlog. But it's got some beautiful pinks and mauves. It's got some warm tones. It's got some really nice green khaki colors, some beautiful peaches, some cool tones. It's got a little bit of everything, this palette, except for blues, which I don't really mind. I like blue eyeshadow, but I don't wear it a lot. But these colors I feel like I will wear like a decent amount. Let me see if I can just turn my light down a little. It's better. But yeah, I've done my face makeup already. I'll show you guys what I used on my face. So today we used a foundation that is a little bit too light for me, but that's okay. We used the Revlon Photo Ready Candid foundation. This is the matte version. I wear the glowy version all the time and I absolutely love it. But I find when I'm filming a matte's a little bit better because otherwise I look very shiny. So I used that one today and then I set it with the Too Faced Born This Way powder. I've had this for quite a while now and I really enjoy it. And then I also used this. This was probably the last time I will use this. It's pretty much all gone now. But this is the Makeup Revolution Supersize Concealer and Define Concealer. Absolutely love this concealer. I think next time I pick it up, I'll pick it up in a darker color though, because there's a little bit bright. And then the other thing we used on my face is the NARS Sunkissed Bronzing Cream in Laguna. This is a beautiful cream bronzer. I haven't used a lot of cream bronzers. I think I've used this one and then a Chanel one, which I absolutely loved. But yeah, this one's really nice too. I love the color of it. It's a really nice shade on my skin. And then for brows, I just used my normal brow products that I've been using recently. So I used the Maybelline Brow Ultra Slim Defining Pencil. This is just a really nice thin brow pencil. Absolutely love this. And then I also used the Mecca Max Clear Brow Gel as well, which I've also been really enjoying. So that is what's currently on my face. So let's get into the eyes. My hair is wet because I just washed it. There we go. All right, I hope this lighting is okay. So I picked up this recently as well. This is the Glamlight Icing eyeshadow base. I got mine in the shade Buttercream. I got it in quite a light shade because I want eyeshadows to really pop on top of it. So I'm just going to use that as my base today. It's quite thick. Do I want to apply it with... I'll just apply it with my finger for now. It is quite thick, so... Apply that to my eye. Wow, I washed all my eyeshadow brushes the other day, so they're all like clean and ready to go. That didn't lighten my eyes too much, but it did just lighten them a little bit, like gave it a little base. I'm just gonna go over with my powder brush as well to set it. Okay. Alright, so I think the first colour I want to go in with is this one here called Prickly Pear. It's a really nice peachy shade. And I'm just going to take that into my crease and in my outer corner a wee bit. Alright, and I want to go in with a deeper colour again in that same sort of area. I'm going to go in with this one here. This is called Mauve Heat. That one there. It's like a red brick kind of colour. Actually, it's quite mauve as well. I'm just going to take that on my outer corner and then blend it into my crease as well. And also I want to take it underneath as well. Alright, and then next I'm going to go in with this colour here called Cacti I Love You. This colour is so pretty. It's probably one of my favourite colours in this palette. It's just a beautiful pinky, peachy, shimmery shade. So I'm just going to take that. I'm not going to take it the whole way through, but I just want to place it kind of like in the middle of my eye. That colour is super pretty. It actually comes out a lot more gold than peachy, but it's still really nice. Alright, and then with a pencil brush, I'm going to go in with the colour Big Sagu Cigar. I don't know how you pronounce that, but it's a shimmery green shade. Actually, I think I'm going to take a little bit of this colour here first and then put that over the top because I want it to look like a khaki green. Just taking that on a pencil brush so I can be a little bit more particular about the placement of the shade. It's giving me watermelon vibes. Alright, and then over the top of that we'll take the lighter one with the shimmer. And I'm going to take that lighter green as well, just on my lower lash line, and place that on the kind of inner half or inner third of my lower lash line as well. I did get a bit of fallout from those shimmery shades. Actually, not a little bit, I got quite a lot of fallout. Alright, and then I think I'm going to go in with this colour called Plant Zaddy, which is like a really dark brown, and I'm just going to take that on a angled brush and just use that as a liner on my top lid. Oops. They're not the most pigmented shadows. They're decent, like they're a decent pigment, but I've definitely used shadows that are like a little bit more intense than this. I feel like these don't blend together as well as I would like either. I just sprayed a little bit of Fix Plus on my brush just to see if I can get those colours to pop a little bit more. I'm going to go in with a little bit more of that deeper shade we use, the Mojave Heat, this one here, and just try to deepen up my crease just a wee bit because it's not as dark as I would like it. And I'll also pop a little bit of Plant Zaddy on there too. I'm going to take the shade Light Linen, which is just this matte cream shade up here, and just place that underneath my brow bone as well. And then for my mascara today, I'm going to take the Tarte Big Ego mascara. I've got a little sample of this, so let's give this one a go. I think I've used this once before. And then I'm also just going to line my tight line as well. I have this NARS High Pigment Longwear eyeliner, and it's just a black. I don't know what the colour is actually called, but I'm just going to line my tight lines and waterline. Let's get into some blush. I really want to grab some new blushes because I feel like I use the same blush all the time. But I think we'll go for... I've actually really been enjoying... Oh, it's upstairs. I think we'll go with MAC's Spring Sheen today, just because we've got quite a lot of like orange tones on the eye, ready tones. I just want to go with something more on the orange tone on my cheeks too. So I'm going to take a little bit of that and just place that on my cheeks. And then for highlighter, I'm going to take the XO Beauty Diamond Baby Highlight Palette. And I think we'll go with the shade Petals, which is this one here. And then for lips today, I think we'll take my lip pencil and Strip Down, and then this Revlon Kiss Glow lip oil. I absolutely love these. This is just a really nice nudie shade. Alright guys, so this is the finished look. I'm pretty happy with how it turned out. It's giving me very much watermelon vibes. Now I'm going to be completely honest, I'm going to have to play around with this palette a little bit more to like give you guys my full thoughts on it. At this point, the eyeshadows are okay. Like I found them a little bit hard to blend into other colors. Like most of the time I found it would just kind of fade away after I added another color on top of it. So I will have to have a little play around with it and see how it goes. But yeah, I definitely do want to play with these pinks and some of the khakis more. Let me know if you want to see more looks using this palette and I can do those for you. But yeah, I really like this look and how it turned out. I just absolutely love the colors in this palette. I think they're really, really nice. But let me know what you thought of this look down below. Also, let me know if you guys want to see any other looks and what colors you would like to see me use down below as well. But I'm going to end this video here. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like this video and please subscribe to my channel if you're not already, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.